Good morning. Assalamualaikum. How are you today? Oh, my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me to watch my videos. Raining again. You see over there? So nice. What? MPF. You see the braids, they're upside. This is the long braids, you see they're upside. This is the long braids from Yonglong going to China. You see, again. Traffic here, so many cars under the bridge. This is the long bridge from Hong Kong going to China. I'm right? Yes. Upside. What is it? Upside. What do you call this one? Okay. Oh, again. So nice, the beautiful today. Beautiful weather today. And then will be rain, little this time. I don't know when the rain comes again. Another day, this side, so many logistic cars standing here. Oh no, slowly to drive. We go there the other side. Oh, don't overtake. And the big car. Where we through it, the garbage. Over there, we threw it through the garbage there. Oh, wait, let's me calm down first to stop the car. Thank you very much.